Day 7360. Why are we here? At some point in our lives, most of us experience existential crisis. We feel stuck. We are not excited about life anymore. What's the purpose of life? Are we here just to work and then die? Today, I updated my why based on the things I talked about yesterday. My previous why. I'm here to inspire and guide the ones who see things differently, the round pegs in square holes, the black sheep in the family, and the ones deemed to hell for wanting to be and live their true self, to show up and live a joyful, fulfilled life. When I wrote this, I based it on how other people wrote their whys. Now, looking at it, I feel it's not my why. It's who is my ideal audience and how I can serve them. If you are on TikTok or YouTube long enough, you're familiar with this script. Hi, if you are new, I'm blah. I help blah blah to blah 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 so they can blah 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 blah. While this works for some people, from what I learned so far, we are here for our own expansion, to explore and discover what we like and what we don't like. It has got nothing to do with others. However, when we are in alignment with who we truly are, by exploring and focusing on things that make us happy, indirectly, we are contributing to this world. Some people told me I inspired them after they knew my life story. I didn't do anything great. All I did was being and doing what I believe in, being my true self. I don't change for people. In my country, my race cannot have dogs, but I have dogs because I love them. They make me happy. Most people are programmed by other people's beliefs. In terms of what we are supposed to do in life, we are taught to analyze what the world needs and we become that. The world needs more doctors, so it will be easy to get a job if we become a doctor. So be a doctor. Video editors will be in high demand now because of social media. So everyone wants to learn and become video editor. I believe due to advice like this, there are so many burnout, depression, and mental illness. We are not being who we truly are and do what excites us. So this is my new why I exist. I exist to explore what I love and what I don't, and do more of what I love. So far, what I love and fill me with joy are dogs. Thus, one of the reasons I exist is to enjoy the company of dogs. I also exist to learn about the laws of the universe. Learning and experimenting about law of attraction and manifestation excite me. The other thing that interests me is creating digital stuff, like making videos, websites, and develop applications like my Notion manifestation journal. So my plan now is to do more of these things and share what I know and experience with those who are attracted to my content, who will benefit from it. That's it.